Patrice, you ready to go?
Yep, I'm coming.
All right.
Gonna be a fun day.
Hell yeah.
I got your glasses.
We woke up on our last day here at Green River Lake State Park. We were headed to Bowling Green, Kentucky to the National Corvette Museum.
Want to race to the door?
It's Corvette. It is completely iconic. It is completely America's sports car. It is a marketing genius and brand, how it was able to stay relevant for 71 consecutive years this car has been in production.
I feel like I need to go fast.
We're all about pride in our state. There is no doubt about it. And it is bragging rights to sit there and say that Corvette is made here.
So this is the first model year, 1953. They only made 300 of these in this color white.
And it had 2 accessories, heat and AM radio. I'll take it.
We house over 65 cars that are on display. The fun story of Corvette itself, which was a post-World War II movement-inspired automobile. You're going to learn the stories behind each of these cars, the designers that are with them, and the whole performance and build of how it takes to get there.
I wonder if Blue Ox makes a tow package for one of these.
Another great car that we have that's a personal favorite of mine is the 1990 ZR1 Corvette that was raced by Mr. Tommy Morrison, a Kentucky native, and he set the world record for the 24-hour endurance race with it in 1989.
If I were to ever have a Corvette, it would be this one.
The 1958.
But look at that color.
Look at this, Patrice.
This is their newest exhibit that's opening up tomorrow.
This is the Ground to Sky exhibit. It's the 10th anniversary of the sinkhole that swallowed 8 Corvettes.
There's the blue car.
I know, it was the last one. And that's it over here. So when they pulled it out of the sinkhole, it actually started up. This is the Blue Devil.
Blue Devil.
ZR1. And they have refurbed it, and it looks gorgeous.
I love that this is a new exhibit. They're taking what happened and turning it into
They're embracing it, yeah, it is history.
Our brand new Skywall that is over in the Sky Dome, which is this beautiful 9-foot panel that goes around, does a performance every 8 minutes. We have the new E-Ray. It's actually on a turntable inside of the Sky Dome. It's not fully electric, it is a hybrid. So it's the first electrified Corvette, and it's also the fastest Corvette of all time right now, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds.
So all of these cars in this line are actually consumers who have purchased Corvettes, and they're picking them up here.
No better experience to buy a car. You don't have to go to the dealership. You get it here at the Corvette Museum. This one's going home.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, I'm gonna make us some mint juleps before we go outside by the lake.
Well, that sounds delicious. Great way to end our week here in Central Kentucky.
Oh, it's been a wonderful week. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was Green River Lake State Park. This campsite, the view of the lake was spectacular. Fishing with Wes, even though we didn't catch fish, it was still a lot of fun to be out on the lake. But for me, that Corvette museum today was really neat. Got my little cars here. I mean, I enjoyed that a lot. What was your favorite part?
Hands down, my old Kentucky home. Being greeted by someone in the period dress, they sing to us. That mansion was gorgeous. The mint julep experience, come on. And then just walking those grounds. I loved it. We're coming back and we're camping there when the campground is ready. You ready to go enjoy our last night in Green River Lake?
Sure.
Cheers to 100 years.
Remember how to hold it.
Yeah.
Kentucky State Parks, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.